friends, welcome to Go Swing. So today's video is on how to screen stocks part 2. If you haven't watched the part 1 video, how to screen stocks part 1, please go and watch it and then start watching this video. So in the first part, what we discussed was how to screen stocks using Minervini trend template and the VCP pattern. So after screening using those criteria, you will get around 30 to 40 stocks, okay, or maybe less than that, okay. Then what we want to do, we want to further screen those stocks and bring around 10 to 15 stocks, okay. So our target is to get finally 10 to 15 stocks which we will trade, okay, which we might trade, okay. So how to do that? So first we want to do fundamental analysis, and we don't have to go deep into fundamental analysis. What we will check is that whether the company is making profit or not, okay. For example, I have easy trip planners here. Now go to screener.com, and here what you can do is that you check easy trip planners, okay, and you go to this profit and loss statement, and you can see that for past 2-3 years it is making profit constantly, and you can see that compounded profit growth for past 5 years is 77%, and for past 3 years is 145%, okay. So clearly this company is making profit, okay. So we will select this company for further screening. So after doing this fundamental screening, whatever stocks you have, now you check, you do technical analysis to check whether these stocks are facing any resistance in technical analysis. So what I mean by resistance, let me show you an example. So we have GNFC here. So you will get GNFC after screening. Suppose you get GNFC after screening using fundamental criteria, okay. Then you look for whether it is facing any resistance, okay. So by resistance, what I mean is that this yearly pivot, okay. So yearly pivot, we have yearly pivot, you can see clearly it is facing resistance here. So we won't select this stock, okay. We won't trade in this stock because from those 30 to 40 stocks you will get 10 stocks which won't be facing any resistance, and we want to do momentum trading. So there is no point in choosing stocks which are facing some kind of resistance, because we will have other stocks which won't be facing any resistance, and we can trade those stocks, okay, because those stocks have more room to move up, okay. And also we should look for stocks which have, suppose, broken this resistance, any R2, R3 or R1, broken this resistance and having support here or here, okay. Like here in R2 line, you can see that stock broke R2, then had took support here, tested R2 again, the R2 level again, and then it went up, okay. So that sort of support also, if it is there, we should look for that, okay. Now another example is Vedant Limited. So Vedant Limited is also facing resistance here, okay. So this is one type of resistance. I don't consider monthly pivot resistance, okay. I consider yearly pivot resistance, because I have seen that yearly pivot resistance are much more important than monthly pivot resistance, okay. Now if we see Vedant Limited chart, okay. So in monthly chart, what you can see is that currently the price is at 450 level here, okay, and it is previous high is 2010 high, that is 480, okay. So this is also a resistance. So if the stock comes closer to 480, okay, then also we should be worried that there is a resistance and we should discard the stock. Okay, so do check in monthly chart whether there is any previous year resistance, and if it is there, please ignore those stocks. Okay, and I can assure you that after ignoring all these stocks, you will have 10 stocks to trade. Okay, if the market is bearish, extremely bearish, then you won't get 10 stocks, that is for sure. But if the market is normal or bullish, then you will definitely get 10 stocks to trade. Okay, so that's how you further screen stocks to trade. So I hope you guys liked the video and understood the concepts. If you guys have liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. And I want to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Please keep motivating. Thank you. And please do comment if you need any specific video. I'll make video on those topics. Thank you.